and welcome to episode number 11 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. The next thing you will learn is how to add sound and music to the game. You can hear the background music, the sound effects for swinging on the rope, jumping, landing, and so forth. Then, next in the course, you're gonna learn how to fire arrows with the bow. Alright, this was all for episode number 11. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 12. See you there!